Today we're gonna start our bike ride in historic Leesburg. We're gonna take the W&OD Trail all the way to Purcellville. We'll ride along the rolling hills of Virginia. Hopefully we'll see horses. There are a lot of craft breweries in the area, so if you're an active beer drinker, you should really like this tour. So it should be a great day, so let's go riding. Small detour to a park where there is art sculpture. Oh, very nice. Great way to see art. Don't even have to get off your bike. We're heading out of Leesburg and there's nobody here. No foot traffic, which is amazing because this is the W&OD and usually there's heavy foot traffic. There's a canopy of trees that lie all along the trail that creates cool shade. The canopy. Woo! Awesome! Here we are in the rolling hills of Virginia. The trail parallels to a horse trail, so you might see horse riders. So if you like horses, this is the place to go. And here we're meeting Matilda the horse. He says hello. He would like some carrots, but of course we can't feed you. Oh, what's this? Looks like an old bridge. Oh, this is historic something bridge. I'll look it up. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. An old bridge, new bridge. Another very long incline. Okay, in the late 1800s, people would take the train out here to escape the heat and drink the special healing waters. Oh, something cool and old coming up. Don't know what that is. Oh, here it is. They got a little sign. Cool. Very cool. This has got to be the train depot. The rolling hills of Virginia. Looks like downhill. I felt like I was pedaling squares back there. Needs a little cleanup here. Woohoo! This is the end of the road. We made it to Purcellville. It's a cute little town. There's restaurants, there's tea shops, little antique stores. It's at the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains. All along the route there are some other train depot stops. The ride was fairly smooth. There was a very slow incline getting here, but it was a great day, so hope to see you riding.